Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you a useful skill that will help you stay on time. It's all about how to change your computer's time zone. Instead of going through the settings, we'll do it right from the date and time display on your taskbar. Let's get started. To change your computer's time zone, start by locating the date and time display on your taskbar. It's usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply right-click on the date and time to open a context menu. From the context menu, click on Adjust Date and Time. This will open the date and time settings window. In the settings window, look for the time zone section. Now click on the drop-down menu to see the list of available time zones. Select the time zone that matches your current location or the one you want to set your computer to. Once you have selected the appropriate time zone, your computer will automatically adjust the time and date settings to match the new time zone. Double check the time display to make sure it's now showing the correct time. Here's a bonus tip to ensure your computer's time is always accurate. Enable the Set Time Zone Automatically option in the settings. This will automatically adjust your computer's time zone based on your current location. Perfect for travelers or those frequently changing time zones. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to change your computer's time zone in Windows. Now you know how to change your computer's time zone right from the date and time display on your taskbar. It's a quick and convenient way to keep your clock on track wherever you are. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more valuable content. So stay tuned. Until then, happy time zone adjusting. See you in the next video.